People swear by starting their day with a glass of lemon water, but before you try it, you should know the pros and cons of this ritual. And if you are watching Rich Flava for the first time, hit the subscribe and bell button to get all our updates. Starting your day with lemon water is a ritual that comes with a lot of high promise. From being a weight loss cure to making your skin glow like you just walked out of the spa, this popular beverage trend isn't going away anytime soon. Lemon water, which is simply water and lemon juice mixed together, is a refreshing and convenient drink to enjoy. Drinking lemon water is most notably linked to the alkaline diet, which suggests that eating alkaline foods can balance our pH levels and prevent a host of diseases. Although lemon juice naturally has a low pH and is considered to be acidic before it is consumed, it is actually alkalizing after consumption. Despite its low pH, lemon juice is considered alkaline forming because after it has been metabolized it leaves an alkaline ash in the body. Although there is no conclusive scientific evidence to support this theory, acidic ash, rather than alkaline ash, may increase the risk of some diseases, such as osteoporosis. Conversely, alkaline ash is thought to protect some negative health outcomes. Eating more alkaline foods in the body is thought to alkalize one's body and therefore offer protection. Alkaline food is not limited to lemon water and includes other fruits, vegetables and legumes. So, what's really going to happen to your body when you drink lemon water every day? Read on to learn if starting your day with lemon water is just a trend, or if this practice has any real health benefits. May promote a healthy immune system. Looking for a boost in vitamin C during the cold and flu season? One lemon juice contains 18 mg of vitamin C. For reference, adults need between 75 and 130 mg of this vitamin depending on their sex and stage of life. Starting the day with a boost of vitamin C from lemon juice helps to protect the body's immune system. While 1 cup of lemon water is unlikely to meet 100% of your daily needs, your day begins with a head start to get enough of this important nutrient. Grab a kiwi on your way out of the door, and you're basically going to fill up your vitamin C for the day, or at least get very close. May worsen symptoms of reflux. Lemons are naturally acidic with a pH between 2 and 3. This is bad news for those suffering from acid reflux because acidic foods trigger heartburn and may irritate the already swollen throat, symptom of silent reflux. May decrease the risk of developing kidney stones. Citrate, a salt in citric acid, binds to calcium and helps block the formation of kidney stones. Citrus fruits and juices are known to be a natural source of dietary citrate. Of all the citrus juices, lemon juice seems to have the highest concentration of this kidney stone blocking salt. Data suggest that those at risk of developing kidney stones and consuming lemon juice consistently experience a reduced rate of passing kidney stones compared to those who do not consume lemon juice. Note that many of the data examining the relationship between the intake of lemon juice and the kidney stones used subjects who drank lemonade and not pure lemon juice. It can keep you hydrated. Approximately 75% of Americans are dehydrated, which means that they do not take enough fluids. Dehydrated people may experience constipation and dizziness along with other symptoms of not drinking enough water. Drinking lemon water gets fluid into your system, one of the best ways to fight dehydration. If you add lemon juice to your water simply because you have a crisp taste, and as a result, it makes you drink more fluid, then go to the town of lemon water by all means. May cause dental erosion. Any acidic drink like lemon water will wear tooth enamel over time. If you are slowly eroding your enamel, or the outer layer of your teeth, you may be setting up your teeth to be more sensitive or prone to roadside cavities. Lemon water is not the only drink known to do that. It's also on the list of what's happening to your body if you drink seltzer every day. May lead to improved cardiovascular status. You may notice improved cardiovascular risk factors such as blood pressure and blood cholesterol levels if you are willing to pour some garlic into your lemon water concoction. According to data from a study published in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine, people who were considered hyperlipidemic when your blood has too many fats and had a drink of 20 grams of garlic and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice daily for 8 weeks had better cardiovascular outcomes compared to people who did not take this drink. Outcomes included improved blood pressure and increased lipid levels. Citrus juices, like lemon juice, naturally contain a unique flavonoid called hesperidine. Consistent hesperidine intake has been associated with improved systolic blood pressure in people considered to be mildly hypertensive, among other positive outcomes. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumb up and tell us what do you think in the comment section. For more info, check the links in the description below. See you next video.